Okay, so we have a question right here. They say, so this is simultaneously, the system of simultaneously, and it's 3 by 3. See, x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z. So let's say we have to solve. This is very easy. So what I'm going to do, let me call this first equation. And this is going to be second equation. And this one I'll call it third equation. Excuse me, sorry. So this is I'll call first equation, second and third. So you know what I'll do? I'll take two questions. Okay, I'm gonna have to eliminate one letter. For me to solve this question, I have to get rid of one letter. So what you have to do, let's say take the first question and second question. So I'm gonna say take 1 and 2 equation and solve it by how you solve eliminate one letter. See? So take this with this. Okay, I'm gonna take this one with this, and then take this with this, and then I have to get rid of one letter. Look how I'm gonna do. It's very easy. Okay, now take the first one. I would say x plus y plus z equal to, and then 6x, and then minus 4y plus 5z equal to 31. So for me to get rid of one letter here, look, if you have an x and 2x, or can we say 12x? How I'm gonna get rid of these two letters? For me to get rid of them, first they must be equal. Like for me to have to eliminate them, they must be equal. So this also, for this to be eliminated, this must be also 12. And then I'm gonna minus. That's a trick. Okay, somebody give me, let's say this is 3m, and this is 4, just a 4. 4, no, just m. But this minus. So how I'm gonna get rid of them? They all have to be equal. So I'm gonna multiply this by 3 negative. See, if I multiply this one with 3 negative, it's gonna become positive 3m, and this gonna be 3m, and then I'll just minus, I'll get 0. So that's a tricky. So for example, let me eliminate x's. You can eliminate any letter, but I choose to eliminate x. Means I want to say, oh, so this first group, x is 6 here, right, in the second line. So let me multiply also by 6, so they can be equal. So let's do it like this. But this 6 is going to have effect on everything. So this is going to become 6x. So you multiply it, but for the second one also, everything must be multiplied. You don't. It's not going to be acceptable or fair to only multiply the first one. So 6x multiplied by 6y multiplied by 6z multiplied by 2 is going to give you 12. And then write this one the way how it is, the second line. So you see, they are equal. So since they're equal, we can get rid of this. So look, I'll just say what? Minus here. So 6x minus 6x is going to give us what? 0x. So I don't have no x because we minus to go down. So it's like a 0x. I don't have 6x minus 6x, 0x. I don't have to write anything 0. Now we come here. Positive 6y minus 4y. Look, positive 6y, you like this. Minus 4y. Minus positive. So 6 plus 4 equal to 10y. So 10y. Now account for this one. 6z minus plus 5z. It's like say 6 minus plus 5. And this is going to give us minus. So 6 minus 5 equal to 1. So it's like, but it's going to be plus, right? Plus 1. So I can say plus 1z. But 1z, you just say z equal 12 minus 31 is going to give us 19. But negative, because 12 minus 39, 12 minus 39, 31 equal to minus 19. So now you see, we got new equation. Let's call it star 1 star. So this with these two, they give us this new equation. Now I'm going to take the first one with the third one, and then I have to get rid of the x. Same trick. So I'm going to say x plus y plus z equal to 2, and the third one 5x 2y plus 2y, and then plus 2z equal to 13. So what I'm going to do, I have to get rid of the same letter. So I'm going to get rid of the same letter. So it's okay. So mean I have to multiply this by 5. So this equation is going to become 5x, I can just write here. Okay, so it's going to become 5x. It's going to become 5x. This is to here, 5x. 5 times y is going to be plus 5y. 5 times z is going to be 5z. 5 times 2 equal to 10. And then write my second denominator, second line, or denominator, just second line, the way how it is, plus 2z. If I say denominator, I'll be wrong. Let me say the second equation. Okay, so what we're going to do, they are equal, so we can subtract. 5x times 5x, nothing, 0. Then 5y minus plus 2 is, you can just say, because this is y, you can say 5, positive 5 minus plus 2 equal to 3. This as well. Look, it's like say positive 5 minus plus 2. This is going to give us 3, but this has a y. Now we go for this one. 5 plus 5, positive 5 minus plus 2 is going to give us 3 also. And this is going to give us 10 minus 13 is going to give us negative 3. Negative 3. Because look, 10 minus 13. This 13 is going to give minus 3. Minus 3. So now this is second equation, which is 3y plus 3z equals to negative 3. But I can just divide by negative. Look, this equation is like, I can just divide by 3 because it's common. Divide by 3, just to simplify. So y plus z equal to negative 1. So this was first term. So let me call this second term. So what I'm going to do now, I'll take the first term, solve with the second term, and solve them simultaneously. So I'll take this one, which is 10 y plus z, which is the first term, equal to negative 19. And then take this one, plus z equal to negative 1. Let's solve them. Let's do the same trick we did here. So which letter you think I should get rid of? I'll rather use this because they are equal. Z. This one means I have to multiply by 10. In exam, you don't want to have time to do that, okay? So I'll rather just take this. So this is positive z and this is positive z. So just subtract it. 10y minus y is going to give us 9y. Z minus z, 0. So I don't have to write anything. Equal negative 19 minus 1 is going to give us negative 18. Look, minus 19 minus 1 minus plus, so negative 19 plus 1 equal to negative 18. See? So now negative 9y equal to negative 18. I can simply divide by 9. Divide by 9. This and this cancel, so y equal to negative 2. Oh, so now we already have it. Y. It's easy then to get x. How? In y you say it's easy because I can just literally take this y and plug it in here. Look. And then I'll get z. Can you see how easy it is? In the second star. Oh, this was second star. I can just plug in the second star. Or even you can even take this one. I can plug here. And then I'll get z. So anywhere where you have a y and another letter, you can plug it. But I'm not going to come and plug in these because you know why? Even if I plug y here, it's not going to give me a solution because I'm not going to have a 2 letter. So rather take for the 2 equation with a 2 y with something. Y with z, y with z. Any of these two is going to give the same answer. So let me pick this because this is more easy. So I'm going to then say, I'd rather say, okay, so I'm going to take y, plug in here in the second star. So y equal to negative 2, so this is going to become negative 2. And then we'll plus z equal to negative 1. Okay, take negative 2 over. So the z equal to negative 1. This go over is going to become plus. Negative 1 plus 2 equal to 1. Oh, so our z equal to 1. So now we know y equal to negative 2. And we know our z equal to 1. So I can look at the equation where you have x, y, and z. Because it's going to be easier for me to get down with it. We have a y, so I can just plug in the y. We have z, I can plug in a z, and then I'll get x. See? So I'm going to take the first equation. So into first equation. So you can just say substitute sub z equal to 1, y equal to -2 into, you can plug in any of this 1, 2, 3, but I'd rather plug this because this is way easy. I don't have to deal with a number into question 1. And my question is going to get finished. Okay, z equal to 1, no, x, let's start with x. We don't have an x, so plug my x, plus y. Do I have a y? Oh yes, I have y equal to -2, so y equal to -2, plus z, what is a z? Z equal to 1, z equal to 1, equal to 2, so let's put this together. Now we go. Positive and negative equal to negative, so this going to become -2. -2 plus 1 equal to -1, so x minus 1 equal to 2. And this is going to go over, will become plus, so x equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Oh, so finally, our x equal to 3, our y equal to -2, and our z, what is our z? Z, we have sound. Our z, I can see. Oh my god, this is why. Z equal to 1. Z equal to 1. Or z equal to 1. So finally, we can just finalize and say, so, I'm going to use the right pen for fun. So finally, oh, this was the question here. The solution system ordinate triple x. So always when you start with x, y, z. What is the x? Our x equal to 3. And what is the y? Y equal to -2. And z equal to 1. So this is our answer. You don't need this anymore then. Easy. See, so like I say, don't just keep this here for yourself, because that's going to be selfishness. I didn't keep solution for me. I just give to you. Okay, so tag it, share to the other people so that other people can benefit. If you first time in this program, come right here, subscribe, click the like button, okay? So that next time when the new video comes, or when I get your solution, you're gonna get the notification automatic, okay? Thanks a lot. I believe you learned how to do things. You did learn on how to do things. You know, I love you so much, okay? Peace and I'm out. I'll be see you soon.